May madadaanan kang Aratilis. Aratilis? May madadaanan kang Aratilis? Saan yun? Sino kaya yung gagamitin ko ngayon? Si Bumblebee? Or si RM? RM or si Bumblebee? Si RM na lang, kursanada ko. I choose you.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah.
Ano ko hanapin yung Aratilis na yun? Alatris. Meron bang Alatris dito? Madadaan ng Alatris. Aratilis. Saan dito yung Aratilis? Dito Aratilis ay Biray. Wala din. Walang Aratilis dito. So yun, kakatapos natin kumain. Yan yung motor ko. Teka, Aratilis ba to? Hindi. Ito yata yun. May Alatris. Oh, Alatris. May madadaanan kang Alatris. Siguro dito yan. Okay, dito lang pala. Okay, sag na yan. Madadaanan kang Alatris. So yun mga ka-riders, naubos rin. May 3 naiwan lang. So yun lang. Mainit pa rin ang araw, hindi nagabihan. Salamat sa Diyos. So yun lang. Bye bye. Paalam.